Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Art of Papermaking with artist Kristina King. I'm Lisa Martin with Silver Spring Town Center, and we're so happy you can join us for this special presentation. We had Kristina scheduled last month, but there were storms and power outages, and you know how things go here in the DC area. So fortunately, she was available to present tonight, reschedule with us. So we will be starting momentarily. Later this evening, we also have another artist spotlight event, Time for Growth, in the studio with artist Kimberly Neshi. So that's at 8 o'clock. That's on a different Zoom link. I will put it into the chat later, so you can join us for that as well. This month, we have some other interesting programs coming up, including a Hitchhiker's Guide to Highways and Byways, Notes from Past and Present, hosted by Smithsonian curator Jim Deutsch. And there are panelists from various eras who have hitchhiked in various past eras and current eras, who will share their stories of adventure hitchhiking. That's on Wednesday evening, August 11th at 7 o'clock. And then we have our comedy show, our monthly comedy shows returning next Thursday, August 12th at 8 o'clock. And the next trio of shows is comedy at the OK Boomer Corral, and that's hosted by Mark Palchik. And then we have a special event that SSTCI is hosting on Friday, the 13th of August. It's a retirement celebration and despedida for our colleague and friend, Humberto Rodriguez, who has just retired after 12 years serving as Silver Spring Regional Center Director. We are holding a party and potluck celebration at the Coiner Farm in downtown Silver Spring on next Friday the 13th, 4 to 6 o'clock. Everyone who knows Humberto or is just part of our community is welcome to join us. I recommend you just send me an email, lisa@silverspringtowncenter.com, just to RSVP. And then I host a quarterly program, a travel logs program, where people share their travel photos and stories. And in keeping with this month's theme of modes of transportation being on the move, we are going to focus on planes, trains, and automobiles, as well as hitchhiking stories from your travels. So please join us Monday, August 16th at 8 o'clock, and that's on Zoom as well. We are doing in-person events at the Civic Building, but only in outdoor events. And we are doing Twilight Tuesdays every Tuesday night, 5 to 8 o'clock. We have Paradise Bill scheduled for this next Tuesday. All of our events are made possible with generous support from Montgomery County, United Therapeutics, the Arts and Humanities of Montgomery County, Maryland State Arts, and many others. And now let's get started with the program. And I know Kristina will take questions at the end, but as we go along, you're welcome to post questions and comments in the chat. Kristina King creates site-responsive installations and work in handmade paper. Her work investigates place, process, community, turbulence, fragility, decay, and the ephemeral. She was awarded a residency at Vermont Studio Center in 2020 and a Studio Workshop Residency at Women's Studio Workshop in 2019. She received the 2019 Individual Artist Award from Visual Arts Works on Paper from the Maryland State Arts Council. She's received her BFA from Denison University in 2014. Her work has been reviewed in BmoreArt and the Washington Post. Her work has been exhibited at Pyramid Atlantic Art Center, Allegany Arts Council, Willow Street Gallery, via Umbria Gallery with a solo show, and Takoma Park Community Center, among many others. And now I will pass the mic over to Kristina King. Take it away.
Thank you, Lisa. And thank you all for being here today. I know a lot of things are pulling away from your attention. So thank you so much for taking the time to be here. So I'm going to share just a quick overview of my work, primarily just the paper making that I'm working on. And then we'll go into sort of a demonstration.